In January 1962, Babaji left Allahabad for a few weeks to visit some important centers of pilgrimage Dwarka, Rameshwaram, Jagannath Puri, and others. Tularam and his family accompanied him. While they were at Dwarka, the head priest of the temple pointed to Babaji. That Baba with the blanket lives here all the time. Babaji kept silent as the priest talked. That was the first time I had heard of him being somewhere else at the same time that we knew Babaji was staying in Allahabad. Afterwards, we had many experiences of his being at different places at the same time. Another example of this happened when devotees had just completed the building of a new Hanuman temple for Maharajji in Panki, near Kanpur. At the time of at the time of the official opening ceremony, Maharajji was in Allahabad and told everybody that he wouldn't personally attend the function. On the morning of the ceremony in Panki, Maharajji went into his room in Allahabad after his bath and said to me, I shall sleep today, I am not keeping well. He covered himself with his blanket and told me not to allow anyone to come into his room. He was locked in from the outside. The next day, some devotees arrived in Allahabad to give out prasad from the puja in Panki. They described the colorful puja and bhandara and said everything had gone perfectly. Maharajji had even come, although he had said he wouldn't. We said, that's impossible. Maharajji was here in Allahabad the whole time. Well, he was also in Panki. He was at the temple from 7 until 12 o'clock. After Babaji returned from the pilgrimage to Dwarka in 1962, many devotees arrived and we went on enjoying the satsang with Babaji, staying in the house almost all the time. One day he went out accompanied by Tularam, Sukla and a few others. I had to remain in the house. At the time of the midday meal, Ma, Mausima, Didi and myself felt we could not take our food as long as Baba had not returned.